K&P PYLE Farms, Blakely, Georgia. Steers 28-1A, 28-1B. K&P PYLE Farms, Blakely, Georgia. 28-1A, 28-1B. K&P PYLE Farms, 28-1A. Be the heavy load of steers, probably somewhere around 735 to 755. 28-1B. Be probably 2 loads of the lighter weight steers. K&P PYLE Farms, Blakely, Georgia. Kim Pyle, 28-1A, 28-1B. Cattle be sorted according to weight. 1A will be the heavy load. 1B should be 2 loads. Cattle sired by Angus and semi-Angus bulls, out of Angus and semi-Angus cross cows, and there's one group of Charolais Angus cross cows. K&P PYLE Farms, Blakely, Georgia. Steers calves out on Bermuda grass pasture. A little supplemental feed. Really a nice set of number 1 muscle, medium and large frame steers. K&P PYLE Farms, Blakely, Georgia. 28-1A, 28-1B. Cattle always pretty green when we load out. K&P PYLE Farms, Blakely, Georgia. 28-1A, 28-1B. Heavy cattle be delivered in August, first part of September. The 2 loads be delivered later in September. Kim and I get the weights next week and get it all lined up. K&P PYLE Farms, Blakely, Georgia. K&P PYLE Farms, 28-1A. K&P PYLE Farms, 28-1A, 28-1B. K&P PYLE Farms, Heifers. (28-2A). One load of heifers somewhere around 650, 675. There's a nice set of No. 1 muscle, medium and large frame heifers, sired by Angus and semi-Angus bulls, out of Angus, semi-Angus, and Charolais cross cows. No ear. 28-2A. K&P PYLE Farms, Heifers. Kim has about 150 of the Choky plantation females that he bought and bred and made brood cows. Him and I usually work together on purchasing the bulls. K&P PYLE Farms, Blakely, Georgia. Heifers 28-2A. K&P PYLE Farms, 28-2A. A few Charolais colored and a few red. K&P PYLE Farm, Blakely, Georgia, 28-2A.